The complete e-waste PCB recycling process involves several steps to efficiently extract valuable materials from waste circuit boards. Here's a detailed breakdown of the process. Step 1. Waste circuit board collection. The process begins with the collection of waste circuit boards from various electronic devices such as computers, TVs, and household appliances. These circuit boards contain valuable materials that can be recovered and reused. Step 2. Boards dismantling. In this step, the waste circuit boards are dismantled to extract useful components and clean motherboards. Components such as chips, capacitors, and resistors are carefully removed from the boards, while the clean motherboards are separated for further processing. Step 3. Component recovery. The extracted components can be sold directly as spare parts or further processed to extract precious metals such as gold, silver, and palladium. Specialized equipment is used to refine and recover these metals from the components, maximizing their value. Step 4. Motherboard crushing and separation. The remaining clean motherboards undergo crushing and separation to recover metal and non-metal materials. During the crushing process, the motherboards are broken down into smaller pieces to facilitate separation. Subsequently, the crushed material is subjected to a sorting process where metals, mainly copper, and non-metals, resin, and fiber, are separated using techniques such as density-based separation and electrostatic separation. Step 5. Metal recovery. The separated metal fractions, primarily copper, are further processed to refine and purify the metal for reuse. Copper obtained from the recycling process can be sold to manufacturers for the production of new electronic components or other applications. Step 6. Non-metal recovery. The non-metal fractions, including resin and fiber, are also recovered during the separation process. While these materials may not have significant monetary value, they can be recycled or reused in various applications such as insulation materials or composite materials. By following these steps, the e-waste PCB recycling process ensures efficient recovery of valuable materials while minimizing environmental impact and promoting sustainability. Sunny Group can provide a complete e-waste PCB recycling processing line. Investors interested in e-waste recycling are welcome to contact us.